Howdy folks, Zach Smith, Pest Dude. We're looking at a spider exclusion video put out by the Department of Pesticide Regulation. You want to get rid of spiders around the house more long term without needing to use pesticidal sprays. Well, this is talking about get rid of the vegetation, get rid of the cracks and crevices, fill stuff in, clean stuff out. Spiders thrive in nooks and crannies, and especially overgrown plants and weeds. So this is talking about filling in a crack or a gap along the home, around the foundation. This is a very common spot for spiders because they can come out and feed on ground crawling insects at night and then go hide out during the day. So this is saying simply fill it with foam and some caulking. And this is very long lasting and not too hard to do. And it doesn't need to look that good because nobody's going to really see it. Here's the before picture, and there's the weeds. And here's the after picture. Clean and tidy is really a big part of IPM. So the state's putting this out so you could use less pesticide, and I hope this is helpful.